Hey, what is up, everyone? My name is Zuhair, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna show you how to transfer a movie or a film to your iPhone from your computer. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna open 3U Tools. Now, as you can see here, let me show you. This is my cell phone, which is connected to the computer. As you can see, there's no movie recent. There is no movies. Okay, so here select photos, and this is the movie. Okay, make sure this is MP4. The other format does not work, so make sure this is MP4, and then drag it here, waiting for you to open pick tool. So I'm going to my cell phone to open here pick tool, open it, and this will start. As you can see, it will take a few seconds, and then you can see it on your cell phone. Please convert format. Oh shit, maybe there's a problem, so I'm gonna try another one. So there is another movie. Okay, it is 800 MB MP4. So let's try this one again. Here, make sure the pick tool is open on your cell phone. As you can see, one video import succeeded. Click OK. Now let's go to the cell phone. Here it is. So it's done. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next video.